Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, friends. My name is Hami and you are watching Hami Umer. How are you all? I am fine, alhamdulillah. Today we are going to learn a new dua. Are you ready? I am ready too. Let's start a new dua. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Supplication when sneezing. Alhamdulillah. All praise be to Allah. Now second supplication. The listeners reply. Yarhamukallah. May Allah have mercy on you. Now third supplication. The sneezes response. Yahdikumullah. May Allah guide you. Abu Dawud, Volume 2, page 338. Keep watching Hami Umer and please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.